welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make spaghettini with a meatball tomato sauce. For today's ingredients, you'll need meatless meatballs, some spaghetti sauce, olive oil, spaghettini, salt, pepper, oregano, spicy pepper, Pecorino Romano, garlic, mushrooms, fresh basil, and onion powder. First, fill a pot with water. While you let the water come to a boil, we'll start making the sauce. Add some olive oil to a pan and turn it on to medium-high. Add some onion powder and some spicy pepper. Mix it all up and let it cook for about a minute. Next, we're going to add the tomato sauce. Now we're going to add our spices: oregano, black pepper, and some salt. Then mix it all up. Bring the fire to a medium-low and cover it for about 15 minutes. Now that the water is boiling, add some salt and olive oil. Next, cut up the garlic cloves into fine slices. Slice up the mushrooms. Now rinse your fresh basil. Add the garlic to the tomato sauce. Now grab the basil and add it to the tomato sauce. Next, we add the mushrooms and mix it all up. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now add the meatless meatballs, mix it, and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Now add the spaghettini and let it cook for 4 minutes. Take about half a cup of the pasta water and add it to the sauce. Strain the pasta, add some sauce to the pot. Next, add the spaghettini. Mix it all up. Now add the sauce to the pasta and the meatballs. Next, we're going to add the Pecorino Romano. Now for the best part, we're going to try it. So good. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let's see what we're gonna cook up next.